Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shibenta ban Pynmih Pisa nakabenta Jingdonkam hapo kashlem Saindur haga Jingdonkam ka OM Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School kala Pynlong daga Fete haga arpusan dari Urisau arhajar arpusau hapo ketika Skul ke badan hamaulai kendal masar. Ya kani ke Fete ke ba Sngi lawan ban pli da UMLA ke Rangsa Kuna constituency usubir marak kumukongsan haringkat ke Jingdonkam uba adan di kongsit President FKJP Central Body kum usembut kongsan ha ka baile don lang urang ba dong jong ka maulai kanton masar uba e biam ka principal jong ka school ka kong is imle kino hikai bat ki khna school kani ka fit kalong ka basyong kun bha ha ka ba ki khna school lambat kinong shong shnong kile shimenta ha ki jing le kai ba pher ki jing yakop khwai ya ki tiar ki bala song ki umso ki jing di ki jing bam ba pher ki lucky draw bat ki wei Nakliang usubir mara ulno senyang sanpo hajar tingka syakan ke school.
So I declare this fete open.
Try to catch the big one. Fishing. Wow.
I will not get it. Of this school, OM Memorial Higher Secondary School, I would like to address her as Konghe only, and respected president of a very renowned NGO of Meghalaya, FKJP President by Dondi Kongsit, my beloved Badeng, who is sitting just immediately left side of me, his brother and my also very own brother and very close friend, Badu, all the teaching staffs of OM Memorial Higher Secondary School, all the parents, those who have come to attend today's fete of the school, my dear students of OM Memorial Higher Secondary School, and dear friends, I'm extremely happy and privileged to be here amongst all of you in this very auspicious and unique program which is being held in this school in the form of fete. I think this is the beginning of the fete, or rather I should say this is the opening ceremony of your school's fete. And I'm very happy, and I thank God for bringing me to this school once again. As already Konghe has mentioned in her welcome address, like I was a very close friend and very close, they are like my own family, and they were very supportive and very inspirational to me. When I was studying in the Shillong Polytechnic, I happened to have lots of Khasi friends, especially from Maulai, and they are one of just like one of my family members, and I have lots of respect and regards to especially the founder of the school, Akpa E.L. Pariong, and the co-founder of the school, I don't remember the name, and all the family members. I would proudly like to tell you that Maulai is just like my second home. Okay, Maulai is just like my second home, because during my student life, I have spent lots of time in Maulai. I have been around to all the localities in Maulai, and I knew all the localities in fact. But then now, since it has been long gap, now I will not be remembering the routes which is leading to different localities. But I think if I happen to go, I think still I will remember those routes and the ways.